If you found yourself watching this video, I need you to do me a great big favor. I need you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I drop videos every Monday of a full lesson, and then I drop snippets midweek on Wednesdays. So do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and do a friend a favor. Subscribe and then share with a friend, like, all that good stuff. I appreciate you in advance. Now in this example, same thing. We're going to find the derivative of f of x, which equals x squared minus 2x plus 1 times x cubed minus 1. Remember to follow the rules. So in this case, f of x is going to be the first function. G of x is going to be the second function. I know we named this entire function f of x, but that's just for labeling purposes. So we're going to take the derivative. We're going to take the first function, right? So let's say dx. Well, actually, no. Let's write it like this. Let's do this first. Let's say f prime of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1 dx x cubed minus 1, and then plus x cubed minus 1 dx x squared minus 2x plus 1. All right. So now we're going to go through and we're going to say we're going to keep this first one, x squared minus 2x plus 1. The derivative of x cubed minus 1 is 3x squared. The derivative of 1 is just 0. It's a constant. All right, so plus x cubed minus 1. The derivative of x squared is 2x. The derivative of 2x is 2. And the derivative of 1 is 0. All right, now we just got to go through multiply and simplify. All right, so we're going to say, let's write it out. Let's distribute. So let's say 3x squared times x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then we're going to say, actually, you know what? No, let's take a step back from that. Let's go ahead and distribute it. It's calculus. All right, so we're going to distribute. So we're going to say 3x squared times x squared minus 3x squared times 2x plus 3x squared times 1. I just distributed this to those three terms, all right? So then now we're going to say plus, we're going to multiply these two. So x cubed times 2x, that gives me 2x to the 4th power minus 2x cubed minus 2x plus 2. It's long, but all you got to do is simplify now. All right, so now let's multiply these. 3x to the 4th minus 6x to the 3rd plus 3x squared plus 2x to the 4th minus 2x cubed minus 2x plus 2. All right, getting smaller. All right, so we have x to the 4th, x to the 4th. So let's put them together. 3x to the 4th plus 2x to the 4th. So let's mark a line through them so we don't confuse anything. Gives us 5x to the 4th. Let's erase that. 5x to the 4th power. All right. So then now to the 3rd power. Negative 6x to the 3rd, negative 2x to the 3rd. So that gives us negative 8x to the 3rd power. All right, x squared, so plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 2. All right, so now all we have is 5x to the 4th minus 8x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 2. That is our derivative. That is f prime of x. It's long. Took a little while to get there, but we got it.